Alright, here's our fresh air intake that we just installed. Running along here, goes over the top of the duct where it comes down and ends up right there's our cold air intake. Alright, here's our cold air return. All joints are taped. Joints taped, we spray foamed along the foundation, as you can see. And we've caulked, taped, filled the holes on the end, that is caulked, taped. Alright, we've got our heat duct intakes. We've got flaps installed. This one is all taped. Run out here, we have our flap installed there. Go here, you can see all the joints are taped. Taped.
Son of a bitch, did something wrong.
Got that. Made it. Got taped. Our flap is installed there. Everything is taped. New plenum. Try to get it on the video. Union outside. 5/8 line. Vent installed. Class B pipe. Run all the way out to the exhaust. Everything is taped. Got all our dampers installed. Another damper back here. Can't see it from there. Damper here installed. And another damper there. And it runs out to the bathroom, which is up here. Goes all the way out into there.